Welcome to Simply Life. This is Black Decker string trimmer. So this basically you need to understand how it is operated. Here there is a locking mechanism. So as you can see, this direction is locked and this direction is unlocked. And when do you unlock this? When you want to change the orientation of this string plate basically. So this is unlock. Once it is unlocked, you can pull it and then change the orientation of it. Okay, now you have changed the orientation and then you can lock it. And after you are done with this, now this can be used this way. Now whenever you want to operate this is a locking mechanism. So this is basically the position of lock. If you press on it, it is unlocked, and then this is the power button. Now when it is in the locking position, you won't be able to pull the power button, and this is in order to increase the power. This is power 1 and this is high power. So whenever it is in the middle, it is locked. When you push, it is activated, and then you need to press this power button and then you can basically do it. This is one orientation. This is vertical and it is used on the edges. So whenever you have the edges of the grass against the driveway, you are going to use this orientation. But now I am using it close to the foundation, so I want to keep this blade in a horizontal position. So for that, once again, in this direction is unlock, so you are going to unlock this, and then after that, if you see this part, you are going to pull it and then you need to rotate it. Once this is rotated, as you can see, this direction has now become horizontal. You are going to lock it. Anti-clockwise is locked. Now you can use this in order to cut the grass. So usually this is used on the edges itself, because you have lawn mowers to cover the area of the middle ground. But just to give you a demo, you can basically do like this in order to cut the grass. Now since this area is in the middle ground, I am going to use lawn mower for this, and I am going to use this string trimmer only for the edges. Now the edge along the foundation, I am going to use this in a horizontal angle. So first thing is, you need to use in this direction so that you don't touch the foundation. And the other way of doing it is, you have to keep the wheel on the foundation and then press to the right, activate the power, and then you can do this. So these are the two ways of orientation, multiple ways of running the string trimmer, and how to unlock the trimmer, and how to change the orientation of the blade, and how to operate the string trimmer. So this is basically the position of lock. If you press on it, it is unlocked, and then this is the power button. Now when it is in the locking position, you won't be able to pull the power button, and this is in order to increase the power. This is power 1 and this is high power. Okay, now this is the Black & Decker string trimmer. Now how does the battery go is, as you can see, this is the battery. So this is the battery for the Black & Decker string trimmer. So this is how the battery can be removed, and let me show you the charger. Now this is how it is put into the charger, and this is the plug for the power source. So that's it about the string trimmer. So this is about the Black & Decker string trimmer. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.